Hi, this is Abhinav from DappLooker, and today I will give you a demo of DappLooker SDK, which we have recently launched. So, to tell you the importance of DappLooker SDK, so now you can easily get any blockchain data using this DappLooker SDK, and you can find the detailed documentation about this DappLooker SDK on DappLooker GitHub page because it's public, and we invite the community to contribute to DappLooker SDK and make it more featureful. So now go to DappLooker GitHub. So here you can like search for the DappLooker SDK. I can see it like on the top of my repo because it's recently created. So you can click on it. Here you can see the detailed documentation about DappLooker SDK. Before I will give you a demo of how to integrate DappLooker SDK into your code. Let me tell you about DappLooker as if you are new to the platform, this will be helpful. So DappLooker is a no-code, multi-chain, community-driven analytics and visualization platform for blockchain networks and dApp. So with DappLooker, you don't need to be tech savvy to do any kind of analytics on a platform. We have Visual SQL by which you can create some awesome chart with just 2 3 clicks, and you can create a complete dashboard with multiple charts in less than 15 minutes. So that's the power of DappLooker we have. So now let's back to DappLooker. So to use DappLooker SDK, you need a minimum version of Node version 14, and you can see the complete DappLooker SDK documentation. Now I will directly jump to the example which we have given for JavaScript project and TypeScript project. So before starting this demo, I've just set up a TypeScript project, a blank TypeScript project. So I will just copy this code and paste it into my TypeScript project. Yeah. So if you can see, we have imported the DappLooker SDK, and we have the method get chart data to get the data, to get the chart data basically. So to get the chart data, you need two things. The first is API key, and second is chart UUID. So now let me show you how you get the API key from the DappLooker platform. So you just have to go to DappLooker platform. So here you can see the API key uh, as admin and click on that, and here you can create n number of API keys. Basically you just have to give the name and it will generate a key for you. I have created a GSK specific API key. I will just copy this API key and we can paste it here, and we need a chart UUID. Any chart like you have created or which is public, just go to that chart. I will go to this page. I will go to Aave V2, and in that Aave V2 we have like Aave monthly deposit volume. Okay, so for example, I want this charge data. So here you can see a option of API. Just click on that, and here you have to copy the chart UUID, which is this one. Okay, you have to copy this chart UUID and paste it here, and done. Boom. So you have now your API key and chart UUID, and output format is if you don't give, like, it's not mandatory. If you don't give, it will give you a raw data, and if you give the JSON, so it will give you a sorted JSON format. So here you can see like we have console log the output here. We have stingified the response here. So now as we have like used the DappLooker SDK and integrated with our DappScript project, now we have to just like run this project. I will do npm run build. So it will build my project. I will go here. Yeah. So now you can see that this folder has been created with index.js file. Now I will do npm run start. It will show me the data. Yeah. So here you can see the complete chart data. We can also make it pretty fine by doing this. We can do null, and we will add the tab /t. I think this will work. I will just do clear, and I will do again npm run build. Yeah, and now I will do npm run build. I will do npm run start. So yeah, now the data is prettified now. We can understand. So here you can see the timestamp and the count. So if you go to the chart here, so you can see the data. We have like our monthly deposit volume, and you can see in the month of December 2020, the count is 10502, which is this one, and like similarly you get the complete data here. So this is how it is so easy to integrate DappLooker SDK with any JavaScript or TypeScript project, or like any Angular, React, Vue, any like you can say a JavaScript framework. You can easily do that, and you can easily get the chart data and integrate into your platform. So this is about demo. Let me know if you have any doubt. Join our Discord to ask any questions, any doubt you have.